Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be filming an eye look using my NYX Smoke Screen palette and Sugar High palette. I've had these for a little while now and I've been dying to play with them. I played with them a little bit, but not on my channel. So today I will be playing with these two beautiful palettes. And we're going to create a nice look and it's going to be wonderful. So if you're interested in checking out what I come up with today, then please keep watching. Before we head into the video, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you'd like. I'd really appreciate it. And yeah, share, like, leave me comments, questions, whatever you'd like. And yeah, let's head into the tutorial. So starting off, I'm going to take this L'Oreal Silk Kiss Me liner in the shade Illuminator. And it's just like a pinky shade. I'm just going to pop that in. Okay. Now let's just head into the eyes. I already have my eyes primed and I used my MAC Pro Longwear Paint Pot in the shade Soft Ochre. Really like this. So there are 4 columns and 3 rows here. So each shade has its own column and then it's divided into a matte, a satin, and a satin shimmer, and a foiled or glitter. Okay, so taking this brownish shade up top, I'm going to pop that into my crease using a, I believe, Luxie 205 tapered blending brush. I'm just going to dip into that, tap it up, and right in the crease. I'm just going to keep building that up in the crease. And I'm also taking it all the way in here. So next I'm going to take this Morphe brush, and this is what it looks like. I'm going to dip into this orange shade, and I'm going to pack that into the crease. And focus more in the crease for this shade. Okay. We're going to dip into this top shade right here and just blend out up here under the brow bone, just to highlight and also kind of blend the colors. Next, we're going to go into this initial shade we went into and kind of go on top here and just diffuse it out a little bit. Next, so these shades were from the Sugar High palette. We're going to close that and put it aside for a little bit, and we're going to dip into the Smoke Screen palette. So we're actually going to dip into this blue, the matte one up top, and I'm going to grab a pencil brush and we're really just going to pack it into the crease. Ooh, little powdery. See, I just dipped into that. Ooh, little powdery. We'll see what the payoff is like. So I'm just creating half circles, and then I'm going to go in on top with the brush that I used, that salmon color, and just go over top of that, just to blend it in. I'm going to get a little bit of a bigger brush and dip it into that blue. Pop it on the outer corner. Again, I'm just going to go back into that salmon shade in the first palette, and I'm going to put that over top, the crease color, and blend. Next, I'm taking another pencil brush and I'm going into this dark olive shade, and I'm packing it in to the outer V. Next, I'm going to take a packing brush And I'm going to dip into this shimmery olive shade. I'm going to spray it with some Fix Plus. I'm going to dip into the shade. And going to dip back into the salmon shade and just blend it out along the crease. I'm going to dust off the fallout. And I'm actually going to spritz my eyes, and then I'm going to take this shade right here. And I'm going to pop that in the center. I love me some Fix Plus. I'm just using my finger. Then going in with the packing brush that I used with that green shimmer, I'm just dusting that on. And then I'm going to grab a small brush and pack a little of this right here in my inner corner. I'm going to spritz it with some Fix Plus. So I'm actually just going to grab a little bit of that color that I just used on the inner corners. I'm just going to pop that in the very center of my lid. Next, I think I'm going to grab some turquoise and swing that along my lower lash line. Sounds like a plan to me. And I'm actually going to grab this turquoise, which is the satin finish. And then I'm also going to go in with the blue shimmer because I couldn't help myself and trail that along the bottom. That is what it looks like right now. I'm going to pop on some mascara and lashes, and I will be right back. So here we have it. Lashes and mascara are on. I just went in with some half lashes by Ardell. These are the 318s, and this incredible mascara. I almost considered not putting on any lashes at all because this mascara has been making my eyelashes look like falsies all by themselves, and I think it's incredible. So yes, this is the final eye look using the NYX Ultimate palettes, and in Smokescreen and in Sugar High. So these are them. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this eye tutorial. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Share the video, leave me a comment below, subscribe to my channel before you leave. Click the bell if you'd like to be notified every time I post something new. And yeah, this is all for right now. Have a great day wherever you are in the world, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.